Meaning of exhilaration.
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 Exhilaration. Exhilaration refers to a feeling of great excitement, energy, and happiness. It is often characterized by an increased heart rate, elevated mood, and a sense of invigoration. Experiences that can lead to exhilaration include engaging in thrilling activities such as extreme sports, achieving a long-term goal, or experiencing something new and unexpected. The result of exhilaration is a sense of euphoria and a boost in confidence, motivation, and overall well-being. It can also lead to improved cognitive functioning and increased productivity.